right here, this whole entire wall has to be ground off, and you can see by the different textures that this has been repaired several times. How to tell if your basement's waterproofing is failing. All right, so obviously we have some cracks here. We have some discolorations. We have discolorations here as well. So basically, what you do is you take a sharp chisel, whatever, and kind of chip. See how it's falling apart? Right here, where it's tight, it's not coming off. Where it's loose, it's going to pop right off. Now this is on a crack. This has been repaired 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. This has been repaired over a 20-year period. So obviously there's an issue here that they've not been addressed. So it's important to find somebody that knows what they're talking about, what they're doing. Now this is a crack right here. So what we're going to do is my son's going to grind this off back down the bare block. As you can see, it's really thick. They've done this several times. Like I said, you can see the different layers and colors of how many times they've done this. But we're going to put some structural tape across this once we get it cleared off where we can see what's going on. And we'll put some structural tape across there. And as far as the waterproofing part of it's concerned, we're going to grind all this loose stuff off. Yeah, if you find a little hot pocket, hear that sound? See it strong here? Hear it? So easy, that flakes off so easy. The reason why that happened was because when he put it on, the wall was wet. We're the only ones that use this one particular waterproof. I'm not going to say what it is because I don't want competition about it. But we're the only people that use those waterproofing that you put on wet. All this other waterproofing is designed to go on dry block to keep it from failing. But it doesn't work if the block's wet at all. So it does. So anytime a realtor if you're a realtor, if you're a homeowner or whatever, and you go into a basement and you see failure, what you think's failure, you can tap on it and you can hear it. It sounds hollow. That means it's not stuck to the wall. Okay. Over here, this is my son Taylor. You know, cut the plastic up. So right here, this whole entire wall has to be ground off, and you can see by the different textures that this has been repaired several times. Okay. It's actually stuck fairly well, but it's failing. So he's going to grind off the part that's bad. He's not going to do all of it. He's just going to grind the parts that's bad on this thing. And we got to take plastic and cover everything because this dust is micro dust, gets everywhere. And we'll actually re-waterproof this whole entire deal. Now right here is another crack. You have a crack here, you have a crack here. This crack goes all the way around to the corner. So we're going to take, minus the cobwebs, that's free service. Getting the cobwebs down is free service. But we'll take the carbon tape and we'll actually go around here, all the way around the corner, and that'll help hold this block. Because what's happening is this is starting to shear right here, and back here means it's shearing. It's trying to fall. If this went another, who knows? You can't predict how long it could be. 6 weeks. It could be 6 years, 10 years. But obviously, it's cracking. At some point, this is going to have another crack, another shift, and it's going to start. The wall's going to start caving in. This tape that we use, the carbon tape that we use, will actually keep that from happening. It's like putting steel around it. So if this was helpful to you, please like and share on Facebook and YouTube. Go on my YouTube page at Kevin Jarday at InstaDri.com. I'd appreciate it. Thank you.